Video lesson prepared by N. Markandaya, lecturer in chemistry, MVS Gout Arts and Science College, Mahbub Nagar, Department of Chemistry. Chemical bonding, molecular orbital energy diagram of homonuclear diatomic molecules. For BSc first year, first semester. Here takes oxygen molecule, MOID diagram of oxygen. See, atomic number of oxygen is 8. Electron configuration of oxygen atom is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Total number of electrons present in oxygen molecule is 8 plus 8, 16. So the oxygen molecule contains a total of 16 electrons and are in molecular orbitals. Electronic configuration is sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, sigma 2py2, sigma 2px2, pi 2py2, pi star 2pz1, pi star 2py1. The molecular electronic configuration is sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, sigma 2px2, pi 2py2, pi 2pz2, pi star 2py1, pi star 2pz1. See here, this is the molecular orbital energy diagram. So this is atomic orbital of oxygen. This is also atomic orbital of oxygen. See here, atomic electronic configuration is 1s2, this is 2s, this is also 2s, 2s2, 2p4. Here one more electron is there, 2 electrons. Here also one more electron is there, 2 electrons. These are the middle orbitals, are the molecular orbitals of oxygen. See here, atomic orbital electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. So 2px2, 2py1, 2pz1. So this right side, this is the another oxygen atom electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. That means 2px2, 2py1, 2pz2. These 16 electrons we can fill in molecular orbitals. So these are the molecular orbitals in middle part. See here, 2 electrons in sigma 1s. So 2 electrons in sigma star 1s, 2 electrons in sigma 2s, 2 electrons in, this is the sigma star 2s. Next to sigma 2px2. Next is 2 electrons in pi 2p y2. Next 2 electrons in pi 2p z2. Next pi star 2p y, ఇందులో ఇది 1 electron. So ఇందులో pi star, this is star, pi star 2p z1, 1 electron. So total 16 electrons completed. 2 2 2 2 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So here 2 same energy orbitals contain single electron. So here in this molecule there are 8 p electrons. 6 of them are filled pi 2py, pi 2pz and sigma 2p. The remaining 2 electrons will have to enter into pi star 2p and pi star 2p antibonding orbitals at the rate of 1 electron. There are 2 antibonding electrons and hence oxygen molecule is less stable than nitrogen molecule. The bond energy of oxygen is 118 kilocalories per mole as compared to nitrogen, which having the 225 calories per mole is less. There are 2 unpaired electrons and so the molecule is paramagnetic in nature. So in oxygen molecule the number of bonding electrons is 8 and the number of antibonding electrons is 4. So these are the bonding electrons. 2 2 2 మొత్తం total bonding electrons are 10 here. 10 bonding electrons are there. 6 antibonding, 6 number of antibonding electrons are 6. Okay, so next bond order is equal to 10 minus 6 by 2, that means 4 by 2. 4 by 2 is equal to 2. So oxygen molecule exists as O double bond O. O double bond O. In highest molecular orbitals pi star 2py and pi star 2pz are containing unpaired electrons. So oxygen molecule is paramagnetic nature. So oxygen molecule has paramagnetic nature. So in O2 molecule the antibonding pi star 2py and pi star 2pz orbitals having unpaired electrons, hence it is a paramagnetic molecule. Okay, this is the rhomboid diagram of oxygen molecule. See here, next molecular orbital energy diagram of in superoxide ion. Superoxide ion, that means O2 minus. Superoxide ion, O2 minus ion. Okay. See here, the atomic number of oxygen is 8. The electronic configuration of oxygen atom is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. That means 1s2, 2s2, 2px2, 2py1, 2pz1. Okay. The O2 minus ion has 17 electrons, and the 17 electrons means, so 8 electrons oxygen and 8 electrons oxygen plus minus charge means 1 electron. Minus charge means 1 electrons. Total 17 electrons. Okay. This is oxygen atom. This is oxygen atom. This is minus charge, negative charge. So total 17 electrons are there. So these 17 electrons arranged in molecular orbitals as, so like this, the electronic configuration of molecular orbitals is here: sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, sigma 2px2, pi 2py2, pi 2pz2, pi star 2py2, pi star 2pz1, pi star 2pz1. This is total 2 electrons, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and this single electron. Total 7 electrons arranged in a molecular orbitals like this order. See here, energy diagram. This is the O2 minus ion. This is the oxygen ion. Oxygen ion electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. See here, this is the atomic orbitals 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. So 2px2, 2py1, 2pz1. For O minus ion, one more electron is there. So that electron added in the 2py2. So here total 9 electrons are there. 9 electrons. 1s2, 2s2, 2px2, 2py2, 2pz2. Because in minus charge, one electron is there, that is added in the 2py orbital. Next, oxygen atom electronic configuration. This is 1s2, 2s2, 2px2, 2py1, 2pz1. Okay. So these are the atomic orbitals. These atomic orbitals form a molecular orbitals. These two 1s orbital form two molecular orbitals, and two 2s orbitals form two molecular orbitals. Next, 6 atomic orbitals form 6 molecular orbitals. So these 17 electrons fill in molecular orbitals according to this configuration. According to this configuration. See here, this is the O2 minus ion molecular orbitals. See, 2 electrons in sigma 1s, 2 electrons in sigma star 1s. Next, 2 electrons in sigma 2s, 2 electrons in sigma star 2s, 2 electrons in sigma 2px. So 2 electrons in pi 2py and 2 electrons in pi 2p z and 2 electrons in pi star 2p y and 1 electron is pi star 2p z. Pi star 2p z. Total 17 electrons are there. 2, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. ఒక సింగిల్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్. టోటల్ 17 electrons. Total 17 electrons. So these are the molecular orbitals filled with the electrons. Next, properties of this molecule. So see here, bond order is equal to Nb minus Na by 2. That means number of electrons in bonding molecular orbital minus number of electron in antibonding molecular orbital by 2. See here, total electrons in bonding molecular orbitals, these 2, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, total 10. Okay, 10 minus antibonding orbitals. This is 2 electrons, this is 2 electrons, 4, 5, 6, this electron, 7 electrons, total 7 electrons by 2. So 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means 1.5. 1.5. Okay, bond order of superoxide ion O2 minus ion is 1.5. So next, magnetic property. The O2 minus ion has an unpaired electron in pi star 2pz orbital. Pi star 2pz orbital. Unpaired electron pi star 2pz orbital, and is therefore it is a paramagnetic. Is therefore it shows a paramagnetic nature. This is the MOED diagram and properties of superoxide ion. Next, peroxide ion. Peroxide ion. So peroxide ion, this is peroxide ion. Peroxide ion formula is equal to O2 minus 2. So like this, O2 minus 2. O bond, O minus minus. This is peroxide ion, O2 minus 2. O2 minus 2. Okay. So here see, oxygen atomic number is 8. The electronic configuration of oxygen atom is 1s2, 2s2, 2px2, 2py1, 2pz1. Total 8 electrons. Next, O2 minus 2 ion has total 18 electrons. See here, so O2 minus 2, oxygen containing 8 electrons and another oxygen containing 8 electrons and minus 2 charge. That means 2 electrons. Total 16, 17, 18. Total 18 electrons. This peroxide contain total 18 electrons. These 18 electrons arranged in molecular orbitals. So according to this order, see here, sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, sigma 2px2, pi 2py2, pi 2pz2. Next, pi star 2py2, pi star 2pz2. Total 18 electrons are there. So 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. These are total 18 electrons filled in molecular orbital energy, molecular orbitals. So next, energy diagram. This is the O2 minus ion. This is another O2 minus ion. So O2 minus ion electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2px2, 2py2, 2pz1, 2pz1, total 2, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 electrons. 9 electrons for O minus ion. So another O minus ion, 1s2, 2s2, 2px2, 2py2, 2pz2. This is also 9 electrons of another O minus ion. O minus ion. Next, this is the O2 minus 2 ion. O2 minus 2 ion. Peroxide. These are the molecular orbitals. These total 18 electrons filled in this molecular orbital according to this order. 2 electrons in sigma 1s, 2 electrons in sigma star 2s, 1s, 2 electrons in sigma 2s, 2 electrons in sigma star 2s. From lowest energy to highest energy, so we have to fill up. So sigma 2px2, pi 2py2, pi 2pz2. Next here pi star 2py2, pi star 2pz2, total. So 18 electrons completed. So next properties, see the bond order. Bond order is equal to Nb minus Na. First calculate the Nb electrons. 2 electrons, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10 electrons are the bonding molecular electrons. Next, so antibonding molecular orbitals. This is 2 electrons, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 electrons in antibonding molecular orbitals by 2. So total 8 by 2 is equal to, so 2 by 2. 2 by 2 means that is 1. 1. So O2 minus 2. Peroxide exists as a O minus, O minus. This one bond, only one bond between the two O minus ion, two O minus ion. So this is the bond order. Bond order nothing but the, so bond between the two atoms. Next, magnetic properties of peroxide ion. So here there are no unpaired electrons. See here, so pi star 2py orbitals also filled with 2 electrons. Pi star 2pz orbitals also filled with 2 electrons. So there are no unpaired electrons in molecular orbitals. So peroxide ion is diamagnetic in nature. Peroxide ion shows diamagnetic in nature. So this is the molecular orbital energy diagram of peroxide. Peroxide. See here next, fluoride. Fluoride molecule. The atomic number of fluorine atom is 9. So electronic configuration of fluorine atom is 1s2, 2s2, 2px2, 2py2, 2pz1. Total 9 electrons are there. 2, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total 9 electrons. This is the electronic configuration of fluorine atom. Next, fluorine molecules contain total 18 electrons, 9 plus 9, total 18 electrons. So these 18 electrons are arranged in molecular orbitals as here sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, sigma 2px2, pi 2py2, pi 2pz2, pi star 2py2, pi star 2pz2, total 18 electrons. Here in 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. మొత్తం 10 electrons, 10 bonding electrons, bonding molecular electrons. Next to 2, 2, 2, 2. మొత్తం 8 anti-bonding molecular electrons. So number of bonding electrons in is 10, number of anti-bonding electrons is 8. See the molecular orbital energy diagram. This is the fluorine atom. This is also another fluorine atom. So 1s2, 2s2, 2px2, 2py2, 2pz2, total 9 electrons. This is another fluorine atom, 1s2, 2s2, 2px2, 2py2, 2pz1, 9 electrons. These 18 electrons filled in molecular orbitals. This is the F2 molecule. These are the molecular orbitals. See 1s2, 2s2, sorry, sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, sigma 2px, pi 2py2, pi 2pz2, pi star 2pxy, pi star 2pz2, pi star 2py2, pi star 2pz2, total 18 electrons filled in molecular orbitals. See now properties of this molecule. Bond order is total 10 bonding molecular orbitals, electrons. So 8 is the anti-bonding, number of anti-bonding electrons. So 10 minus 8 by 2, 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Therefore, so fluorine atom exists like this. F bond F, F bond F containing 8. This is the fluorine molecule. So the fluorine bonded in single bond. Next property. So there are no unpaired electrons. There are no unpaired electrons in F2 molecule. So it shows diamagnetism. Shows diamagnetism. Here this is the paired electrons. So this is also paired electrons. So there is no unpaired electrons in F2 molecule. So it shows diamagnetic in nature. This is the molecular orbital energy diagram of fluorine. The fluorine molecules contain one covalent single bond. As there are no unpaired electrons, the molecule is diamagnetic. Bond order is 1. Total number of bonding electrons 8. Number of anti-bonding electrons 6. Okay. Next, neon molecule. So atomic number of neon is equal to 10. The electronic configuration of neon atom is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 2p6, total 10 electrons. The total number of electrons in neon molecule is 10 plus 10, 20, 10 plus 10, 20. Okay, next, these 20 electrons arranged in molecular orbitals as sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, pi 2p, pi 2p by 2, pi 2p z2, pi star 2p by 2, pi star 2p z2. So sigma star 2 px2, sigma star 2 px2. So total 10 orbitals are there. These 10 orbitals completely filled with total. So 10 orbitals are there. These 10 orbitals completely filled with 20 electrons. So sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2. So like this, sigma 2s2, pi 2p by 2, pi 2p z2, pi star 2p y2, pi star 2p z2. So sigma star 2p x2. Total 20 electrons. 2, 2, 2, 2, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Total 20 electrons filled in 10 orbitals. See here, the total number of bonding electrons are 10. Total number of antibonding electrons also 10. So bond order is 0. Bond order is 0. So neon molecule bond order is 0. So thus the molecule is highly unstable and neon exists as a monoatomic molecule. There is no bond between neon atoms. Neon atoms. So the molecule is highly unstable and neon exists as monoatomic molecule only. The valency molecular orbitals are completely filled and so they are also non-bonding nature. So next, it is to be noted that the bond strength of any molecule decrease as the number of antibonding orbitals increases. Okay, the bond strength decreases as the number of antibonding electron increases. The order of stability of molecule is N2 greater than O2 greater than F2. So because N2 exists in nitrogen bond nitrogen triple bond, in oxygen exists O bond O, and fluorine exists F bond F. So 3 bonds between nitrogen atoms, 2 bonds between oxygen atoms, 1 bond between fluorine atoms. Though 3 bonds are more strong than the 2 bonds, these are more strong than the single bond. So the order of stability of molecule is N2 greater than O2 greater than F2. Okay, thank you.